Hi everybody, I'm Chiara, and in this video I will take you through the features of the validation page. The validation function is useful to visualize in real time the position of a target in a monitored area, for example, during the first installation of the system. On this page, we find the following information: the position of the first target detected by each sensor. In any case, the information can be deleted anytime with a specific button. The position of the target detected by each sensor in real time, the system status of each component, the dynamic configuration that is currently active, the status of the digital inputs and outputs. Note that the image shows a single target for each detection field of each sensor. If the target is moving, the dot is empty. Otherwise, if it's static, the display dot is full black. Alright people, that's it! We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. For any further assistance, do not hesitate to contact our technical support team. Thanks for following us! Bye bye!